Over the past 40 days, I built 20 Gemini native applications, from textbook generators to dual agent mock interviews, producing more than 30,000 lines of production code. Gemini dramatically accelerated development, but that acceleration exposed a deeper architectural gap.
The model remained fluent, even confident, while its internal logic could gradually drift. Output sounded correct, yet structural consistency was not guaranteed. In high-stakes systems like education, evaluation, or certification, fluency is not verification.
So we asked a fundamental question: can AI measure the integrity of its own reasoning? To answer this, we built the neural telemetry layer, deep instrumentation around every Gemini generation. Each output is decomposed into structured technical concepts and explicit relationships, forming a high-dimensional dependency graph. This graph becomes the structural fingerprint of the reasoning process. It allows us to move beyond surface text and inspect how ideas connect, propagate, and depend on one another. At the core of this system is the neural lens. A secondary shadow agent performs what we call adversarial refraction, probing logical nodes for contradiction, omission, and instability. Instead of asking, "Does this sound right?" we ask, "Does this remain structurally consistent under stress?" From this process, we compute measurable trust telemetry, structural coherence score, logical drift risk, adversarial robustness. These metrics are heuristic today, but they represent a shift toward observable intelligence, where reasoning is not just generated, but instrumented and evaluated. Architecturally, we route roughly 90% of interactions through Gemini 3 Flash for low-latency multimodal generation, escalating to Gemini 3 Pro only for deep validation passes. This hybrid routing preserves responsiveness while maintaining structural accountability, yielding significant compute efficiency without sacrificing reasoning depth. In 40 days of accelerated building, one insight became clear: generation alone is not the frontier, structural integrity is. Gemini makes intelligence scalable. Neural Lens makes intelligence measurable. The next evolution of AI systems is not just larger models, it is reasoning you can observe, test, and refine. Refraction complete.